If you have nail polish on your carpets or upholstery, here is one item that you probably have at home that works really effectively and will not damage those fibers. So what you're going to need, and you most likely already have, rubbing alcohol. Spray it on, give it time to loosen up, and then blot up. Yes, this is in fact a white towel. A lot of people are going to say, why would you use that? It's just to show you how much it really lifts off. Now, you will have to repeat this process a little bit, but over time, this will nicely come off and you won't cause any damage, which is what you want. So a lot of people would say, why don't you just go ahead and use nail polish remover? Well, the thing is, even the acetone-free stuff can still damage carpet fibers. So you have to be careful, right? How much do you love that rug or a carpet? That is the question. Because nail polish remover, as it says in the name, is meant to remove nail polish. So yes, it does work, but you're probably going to damage the carpet fibers. You don't want to do that. So the safer route is using rubbing alcohol. It works great. Now, it might take a few rounds of blotting, but that's part of it. So make sure to use rubbing alcohol, not nail polish remover or anything else, because you can definitely risk bleaching and damaging the carpet fibers if you're not being careful. So just be a little patient and use rubbing alcohol. Of course, if you are a professional and it's all about time efficiency, here's a product that I also recommend. If you don't want to goof around with DIY stuff, or if you're just somebody that wants something with a little more punch, try this product right here, Ink Out. This thing is excellent. It works wonders for ink, pen, nail polish, and a bunch of other stuff. So thanks for watching.